What's going on, guys? The Garage Giant here. Just wanted to bring you guys another quick video on how to replace the engine oil for your Ford Explorer ST. It's been a long time coming. Let's get into it. While the oil is draining below, I'm going to use a 27mm socket to unscrew the oil filter cap to change the filter. For this filter, I did go with the manufacturer recommended Motorcraft part number FL2062A. The box contains the filter as well as the 3 O-rings needed for installation. When installing the new oil filter, you should hear a click indicating that the oil filter is in place. For the oil drain plug, I did go with the OEM Ford part number KX6Z6730B. For this oil change, I did go with the Valvoline Restore and Protect 5W30 Premium Full Synthetic Blend. This is actually my first time using the Restore and Protect. I've heard really good things about this product here. It's supposed to bring your engine back to factory clean, which increases the performance and the lifespan of your engine. This Ford Explorer does require 6 quarts of oil. After you've completed the oil change, make sure that you reset the oil life in the settings. That about wraps it up for changing your oil for Ford Explorer ST. If you've enjoyed this video, just go ahead and like, subscribe, drop a comment down below as well what you think my next video should be of.